This is the result of perfect analysis I did, back to back on my previous videos. Congratulations to all those traders who were short on Bitcoin or Ethereum with me from the beginning, because we made awesome money here. Okay, so moving on for further analysis. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. Yes guys, from previous 2 or 3 videos I was kinda bullish on Bitcoin. Well, my bearish analysis was perfect. It's just that I got manipulated by watching other YouTubers' videos. And guys, here is a lesson for you all. That never, ever watch someone else's video blindly, no matter if someone is an experienced trader or not. Always do your own analysis and believe in yourself. Have patience. Okay, so from now onwards, I won't watch any YouTuber's video, I will only focus on my analysis, and will make my perfect analysis video. And you guys also, do not watch my video blindly, do your own analysis also. Okay, coming back to analysis. As you can see, how the price perfectly came to my blue support box that I have already drawn for past few weeks, at approximate $25,000 level to $24,600 level. Because of my mistake earlier, which was listening to someone else blindly and being bullish on Bitcoin. Well, to recover it I entered a small short position on Bitcoin. Okay, so coming to the Bitcoin futures chart, here have a look how I have drawn this Fibonacci level. Well, my previous viewers already know about it. The price exactly got reversed form upside and managed to break the red Fibonacci level, which at 0.236. Now there are still chances that the price can go down. Well, I think that the price will go up for a small retest, and after that a huge move to the downside has to come. And do not forget this Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, which is indicating fear in market, and when people are fearful be greedy and vice versa. That means the price can go long for some time, but eventually I am bearish according to my analysis. Coming back to the Bitcoin curve support analysis, which I was and I am still talking about because it did straight to the point as my analysis. The price broke the curve support, gone up for a retest and then heavily fall down. And now there are chances of a retest to upside, but I'm still bearish, with the price target of the dark blue box below. At approximate $20,000 level. And guys, if you want to trade like me, and make money by trading, then you can do that by trading on Bybit. Yes, just create an account on Bybit and start trading. Right now, I am also trading on Bybit only. If you guys do not believe me, then I will show you my live Bitcoin and Ethereum trades on Bybit in few minutes. You can literally get free $30,000 deposit gift for yourself if you create an account on Bybit with the link in description and start your epic trading journey. Okay, so here you go. These are my Bitcoin and Ethereum live trades on Bybit. Yes, guys, right now I am now having real money to trade. So I am trading in demo account. But I am treating my demo as real only. And in future, I will trade with real thousands of dollars in my live account also. But till then, do support me. And guys, if you focus more on learning rather than profit/loss or demo reel, then it can be helpful for you. So guys, here is my short trade on Bitcoin. Well, it's very risky trade because as I said there are a chance for the price to go up for a retest. That's why I'm in it with small amount only. Because there are many high chance that my stop loss can get hit. With a take profit at $25,155 and stop loss at $27,034. And here have a look at my conditional Ethereum trade on Bybit. So if the price of Ethereum comes at $1,624 level, then my trade will be activated, and with a take profit of $1,408 and stop loss of $1,715. Okay, so now moving to Ethereum analysis. So as I perfectly told you all in my previous videos, that the price of Ethereum has to come down. And it did eventually came down. And I said that if the price of Ethereum touches the yellow horizontal line support at $1,670, then the analysis will turn bearish from bullish. And then same happened. Congratulations to all who took trade in Ethereum, with my analysis and also with our own analysis as well. Here have a look at my conditional order on Ethereum that I was showing you on Bybit. Well, I'm still waiting because there are chances for the price to reverse back up form here for some time because of a retest after a huge breakdown, and if see a reversal sign, then I will also open a long trade on Ethereum as well as on Bitcoin. Okay, so at last, here is one more Ethereum analysis. Look at the bottom support zone I have drawn. The price of Ethereum came exactly there and got a reversal back up. It signifies big support of buyers there. And there is also the yellow horizontal line that I was showing you from my previous analysis. Okay, so guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you found it knowledgeable. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video. And do create an account on Bybit with the link in description and start trading today. Do comment also. I will read everyone's comment and reply to you. See you all in the next video.